We have some really important updates to discuss for Pepe. Make sure you guys also stay till the end for some really interesting data that could determine the future of Pepe. Really big topics to discuss here today. Let's dive into it. Right now, you guys can see Pepe is doing pretty decent on the day. We're up a little bit, which is good to see. We've obviously been on a declining trend on Pepe here for a little bit. You can see our volume numbers staying strong, over $300 million of 24-hour volume, which when we compare that to Shiba Inu, you can see right now just about $90 million in Dogecoin, just shy of $200 million. So Pepe has more 24-hour volume than both Shiba Inu and Dogecoin combined. This has been a trend for the past couple of days, but it's so important for one key reason. You might be wondering, what is that? Well, as long as we can continue to see Pepe having volume in excess of both Shiba Inu and Dogecoin combined, in my opinion, that's a strong sign that Pepe still has a lot of potential to go up and actually surpass the market cap of Dogecoin, which you can see right now is about $10 billion. Pepe right now is sitting about 650 million. So you're looking at roughly a 15x potential, in my opinion, if we can continue to have this volume. Because if we have this volume, that shows that there's still a ton of interest in Pepe. Pepe has not been forgotten. People don't forget about Pepe. This could, of course, dip down maybe for a day or two, but as long as over the course of a week, we average out more often than not above this volume numbers of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, I think that is really bullish. Now we have some other great news for Pepe. You can see Kraken is going to be listing Pepe. They put out this announcement just a couple hours ago, which is really great to see. This is good that Pepe is going to become, again, more accessible to a lot more people. Now we can see Pepe right now for the price. Of course, we did peak out. We are down from that peak. From the peak, we're looking down right now just about 60%. So we're recovering a little bit. The other day when we looked at this, we were down about 75%. So we're starting to recover. You can see that we have fallen below into another trend cycle. So we ended up seeing the price go up. The price kind of stabilized down. Price dropped down. And we fell below this major resistance support level right in here at the 1.8 level, which is really important to note because something that I've mentioned in previous videos that I expected that we go up, probably teeter in this range for a little bit. And if we did break through this next higher support level right in here, this 2.1 level, we could potentially see Pepe just absolutely explode because there's not a lot of support or resistance going beyond that. But it does seem like we are stuck in this channel right here. Hopefully we can get some major news events that'll help us break out past this 1.8 and then probably go in the channel again and then break out beyond that, go back to all-time highs for Pepe, which will be really bullish. Now, not only, another important thing, not only are we seeing the volume stay really high for Pepe, we're also seeing social engagement stay really high. You can see according to Leonard Crush, Pepe has 2 times more social engagement than Ethereum right now. You can see their scores for social engagement numbers. Bitcoin is right now beating out Pepe. Pepe was above Bitcoin just the other day. It has since fallen down below Bitcoin, but Pepe still about double the social engagement for Ethereum, which is really bullish because obviously Ethereum is expected to have a lot of social engagement. Pretty much every project that deals on the Ethereum network, they like to tag Ethereum, hashtag Ethereum, whatever it is. The fact that Pepe is outdoing all of that is a really good sign that the Pepe community is very strong. By the way, if you appreciate videos like this, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified as soon as videos go live. We're also seeing mainstream media talk about Pepe. You guys can see behind me have a Reuters article talking about Pepe overtaking Dogecoin potentially. We have Yahoo Finance here mentioning Pepe. And then we, of course, have this Bloomberg article that we showed the other day talking about Pepe. And this is a really good sign because if we want to see more mass adoption, we have to get Pepe in this mainstream media. When we look at the Pepe search volume right now, Pepe search volume is falling down a little bit from where we peaked out at May 5th. So we have since fallen down. We're just about 50% that search volume that we had then. But if we go out to, let's say, a 5-year chart, we compare it to the peak of Pepe, we're pretty small in comparison. We're about halfway there, just shy of halfway there. So we still have a long way to go. And then we compare it to Dogecoin. And then, of course, if we want to get this Dogecoin kind of volume, we would have to see Pepe get more into the mainstream media. But you guys can see Dogecoin peaking out way up here. Pepe right now is way down here. You can barely even see that line. Of course, that means that Pepe has so much more potential of search volume. But if we want to get that search volume, we have to go outside of Twitter. Because right now, this social engagement, this is showing Twitter support. This is showing within the crypto community, people are interested about Pepe, people who are talking about Pepe. But if we want to get that mainstream adoption, we have to get more of these news articles like the Reuters, like the Yahoo Finance, and like the Bloomberg. So if we want to see Pepe explode and go beyond Dogecoin, we have to get that support for Pepe to blow past that $10 billion market cap, which I think is possible. This is just something very important for us to keep following, these different trend lines and see how is Pepe doing right now. Obviously, we see Pepe is getting more search volume than Dogecoin currently, but again, for the peak of Dogecoin, we'd have to have Pepe explode way more to see that. And if you want to learn more about Pepe actually overtaking Dogecoin, check out this video up here, and I'll catch you on the next one.